Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to delay click on your HONOR X6a. In the first step, from main menu, we must navigate to the settings, where we have option accessibility. We press that, and first accessibility. Now we scroll down to touch settings, and there we have our option of delay clicks, where we can change it in the tap duration. It can be short, medium or long, and it can be helped when we touch the screen by chance, and until strong push it won't open anything. I will show you which is long, and there I must long tap to open it. And when we change it for short, after a short tap, it opened this photo. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.